Hey you guys, it's your girl Rayanne, Samantha. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today's video is just me showing you guys how I slay and just slick down my edges, kind of like this. So if you guys want to know how to lay your edges to the gods, then definitely keep on watching. I'm just gonna take some Eco Styler and put that on my edges. I'm also gonna take some hair from the back of my head. I'm just gonna pull down gently on some of the looser pieces. Okay, so I think that's enough gel. And now I'm just gonna start forming these edges. I know right now it looks really ridiculous, but I'm gonna have the wrap on anyways, so it'll be fine. So now that those edges are done, I'm just gonna quickly wrap my hair so I can just set them into place. So I usually leave my wrap on for at least 10 minutes, or for the most part I usually leave it on until I'm ready to leave the house. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this scarf off. Hopefully my edges are laid. This is how my edges are looking. Probably gonna have to fix this side because it lifted up a little bit.
Come in? Am I come in?
Can you come in?
Yeah.
What do you need?
I made this. I'm in
As you guys can tell, I do not play around my edges. I hope you guys learned how to lay your edges to the gods. But thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Toodles!